Alright, here is my officetemp.mikemalberg.com project. A little overview here. This displays the current temperature in my office. Alright, so here's kind of how it works. We've got an Arduino board that is hooked up to some stuff, including a temperature sensor and a wireless Xbee shield. Communicates over to this Xbee receiver wirelessly and goes into the computer, which communicates with the service I wrote, which in turn communicates with REST APIs on this server, which the REST APIs put it in this database, and also communicate with this web dashboard website that I wrote. And all this is using MVC4 and Web API from Microsoft, and then we communicate out to our clients. Alright, here's Xbee, or here's the Arduino board. We've got our LCD here. I've got a speaker here which sounds if it gets too hot, and a light which turns red if it gets too hot. And right here is our little temperature sensor guy, which I'm going to hold down on to try to make it hotter. And then we have our Xbee shield here, which the red portion here is the shield and the blue portion here is the actual chip, which is the part that communicates wirelessly. The shield just sits on top of the Arduino board. Alright, so our temperature is getting hotter, and we can see now that it's over 80 degrees and we've turned red, and we're sounding the alarm every 10 seconds. Alright, so let's go see what happens over on our board, on our website. First of all, we can see the output from our service here, which I have running in console mode, and it's just picking up temperature data and voltage from the sensor. And then over here on our dashboard we can see the temperature updates every 10 seconds as well. And over here you see our radial gauge has moved from normal to high. And we've got our high-low average over here for the past 24 hours, and this portion down here is just the last 24 hours worth of temperature. Alright, that is our officetemp.mikemalberg.com project.